I'll give you a 10-second head start.
To the thingamajigger!
Hey! Come back with those!
Let them go, Buster. I have a smell, and I'm not afraid to use it.
Hey, guess what? My cold is getting better. I can smell again.
Great news, Fish. Sort of.
What do you mean, sort of?
You wouldn't spray me.
Oh, no? Sorry, Buster. I warned you.
Get me out of here!
Ugh, what in the world is that smell?
It's Whiffy. He smells worse than the skunk cabbage.
At least it got rid of Buster.
Just like the skunk cabbage smell got rid of us.
I guess Whiffy was right. A stinky smell is useful. The smell of a rose may thrill your nose much more than a skunky spray. But a skunk's bad smell can be just swell for chasing a pest away.
Goodbye.
Thanks, Whiffy.
See ya. Happy sniffing.